What does a typical cataract surgery day look like for the patient? Hello friends, Dr. Boparai here. Cataract surgery is a wonderful procedure. It can really give patients that clarity of vision. However, it is still surgery, and therefore many patients, appropriately so, are anxious about it. I wanted to make this video so that you can clearly understand what the typical cataract surgery day may look like. Each surgeon has their own preference, each surgical center has their own preference, but typically this is what the day will look like. You'll first get checked in, and at the time of check-in, you may then be brought over to get some additional testing. This testing helps the surgeon confirm what kind of lens they want to put into the eye. You'll then make your way over to the preoperative area. And in the preoperative area, you're typically changing. The nurses there are potentially putting in an IV. You'll also get a whole slew of eye drops to get the eye nice and dilated so that the surgeon, myself, can easily visualize the cataract. If you're a patient who's elected to get laser-assisted cataract surgery, you'll first be brought into that room to get the laser-assisted procedure and then go to the operating room. In the operating room, you'll get the surgery done. Typically, the anesthesiology team will be there administering some gentle sedation. You're not completely under. You're calm, you're comfortable. The surgeon, if needed, can guide you through the procedure to calm you down, but then also to give you some direction to look left and right if that's needed during the surgery. Now, the typical surgery takes anywhere between 6 to 20 minutes. So after the surgery is done, you'll make your way over to the post-operative recovery area. During that post-operative recovery time, the nurses will be there making sure that you're feeling fine enough to go home. Some surgical centers do offer transportation. However, typically you come to the surgical center with a family member or friend who is able to transport you home safely. So just to summarize, on the day of the surgery, you're going to get to the surgical center. Typically it's early. You'll check in. You may or may not get some additional testing that helps the surgeon, particularly determining the lens that we want to use. From there on, you make your way over to the preoperative waiting area, where you'll potentially put on a gown, maybe change, get an IV, sign some additional paperwork, get a whole lot of eye drops. From there on, you'll make your way back to the operating area, where if you've opted for laser-assisted cataract surgery, you'll get that done first. If you haven't, you'll go right into the operating room. There, the surgery is done. You then make your way over to the post-operative recovery area. And when you feel comfortable enough and you've recovered enough, you make your way home.